Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to create a clock in assembly language. We will be using NASM and Ubuntu virtual machine. So to begin, our code is divided into three sections. That is the section.bss, section.data, and the section.text. The section.bss, this is where we reserve the memory this is where we reserve the memory for the variables we'll be using in our code. And the section.data is where we declare the time spec structure. And the section.text contains the bulk of the code. So to begin, we first have to get the system time. And the system time is the number of seconds since the beginning of the Unix epoch. That is from 1st January, from the midnight of 1st January 1970 to date. And we can also use this to see this is the system call number for clock get time for a Linux machine. So after we get the get time, we check error. We have to do number of divisions to get the hours, minutes, and seconds, and that is why we divide by 60, and the remainder that we get also divided by 60, and that remainder that we get we divided by 24 to get the seconds, minutes, and the hours. So after that, we have to convert our hours, minutes, and seconds from integer to string to be able to display them in the format hours, minutes, seconds, like a normal clock. This is the code for it. So now after we are done with the conversion, we store it in the buffer variable that we declared at the beginning of our code. We also put the functions that we need in labels so that they can be able to be called by the main clock loop. So now to output the formatted time, we set a 1 second delay and jump to the beginning of the clock loop. This starts a loop so that the clock can be updated. So that is it. So now let's run it in the terminal and see. So we see that every second it keeps updating. So we can see that the clock is functioning as we expected it to be. So thank you for watching.